Many people are facing this unknown at rules Tailwind, and what we can do is one way you can go to this extension, search Tailwind CSS IntelliSense. Anyway, we need it because to make sure we are giving correct or valid classes we are using or not. We just want to make sure that every time, so it's better to have this Tailwind CSS IntelliSense from your extension. You can install it, and most of the cases it will be to solve, and you just restart your Visual Studio again. And if it is not work, what you can go to your settings, like this, how I went here like this, and you can search file and association, because there is an option. If you go to file, and you will see the association, and if you want to get rid of this three warnings, you can do that things, and just add a one key. So I'm just pasting that key here, CSS, and the value you can use it like this. Let me copy from the notepad. Okay, here, and you can paste this Tailwind CSS, and this is the value, and just add it. That's it, and most 100% sure it will be get rid of it, and you will not see the warning anymore. But one thing is, I noticed that this is working, right? This Tailwind is working, because it does not mean that CSS get rid. Anyway, even if you not fix this, it will work actually, because you just need to make sure that just change any classes, because once you install the IntelliSense, you can see the classes which are available, and you can see that it will work. Even though the warning is exist, it will work, and you can change it and use it. Thanks.